Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to convert RGB colors to CMYK to use in Photoshop or for printing, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Ladies and gentlemen, DGB.lol, we're right over here on the left hand side. You want to tap on tools, you will find yourself on this page, and here's where you can access all of these awesome tools for free. And as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the RGB to CMYK converter. Let us go and click on that. And quite simply, one of the nice things about DGB.lol is that it's very simple. There's a very simple layout. So it tells you a little bit about the tool, but ultimately we are going to upload an image. All right, so we've uploaded our image and you'll see this little pop-up window here. Now you have to choose the color profile to use for your conversion. Now, as you can see here, there are many options, okay? Now, depending on which option you choose, you're going to go ahead and you are going to just click on or select. So let's go ahead and choose the option over here, just for example purposes, and click on submit. Now, what you will find is on the left-hand side, there is a My Files. Go ahead, click on that, and here you will see all of your tasks that you have completed and that are still in processing. So right over here, this is our current one, and the operation it gives you. So it's RGB to CMYK, and you can see here that the status is queued next. So if you give it a few seconds, it'll be then looking like this, and you can go ahead and download it in the correct format.